Hello students. So today's topic which we are going to do is noun gender. So first of all, what is gender? Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. तो जेंडर वो है जो हमें मेल नाउन और फीमेल नाउन के बारे में बताता है या उनके बीच का जो अंतर होता है उसे बताता है. For example, mother, father, tiger, tigress. So these are the examples of the gender. Next, to differentiate all these mother, father, tiger, tigress, further the gender is classified into two parts, that is feminine gender, masculine gender. So first of all, what is feminine gender? Noun used for female person or animal are feminine gender. जो जेंडर हमें फीमेल पर्सन या एनिमल के बारे में बताए वो फेमिनाइन जेंडर होता है और इसके एग्जांपल्स हैं मदर एंड टाइग्रेस. नेक्स्ट वी हैव मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर. नाउन यूज्ड फॉर मेल पर्सन और एनिमल आर मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर. तो जो जेंडर हमें मेल पर्सन और मेल एनिमल के बारे में बताता है वो होता है मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फादर और टाइगर. So now feminine gender means female gender and masculine gender means male gender. Here are further more examples. Let's clear out that also. So man, woman. She is in feminine gender and he is masculine gender. So man is male and woman is female. Same as lioness is feminine gender and lion is masculine gender. Rooster is masculine gender and hen is feminine gender. So these were the examples of masculine gender and feminine gender. I hope you must be clear with this. So now let's see the topic which you have to write on your English grammar notebooks, that is the gender. Before starting, as always, you have to mention the date and the day, then topic, then you have to start your work. Father, mother, peacock, peahen, nephew, niece, king, queen, monk, nun, sir, madam, priest, priestess, fox, vixen, lion, lioness, landlord, landlady, bull, cow, son, daughter, uncle, aunt, tiger, tigress, prince, princess. So these are the gender which you have to write on your English fair notebook on grammar side. Your writing should be neat and clean and learn this with the written practice. Now you must all be clear with the feminine gender and masculine gender. So this is the bookwork which you have to do. You have to fill this blanks by using these hints from the help box. Let's see what you have to do. Look at the nouns in color. Fill in the blanks with noun of the opposite gender. One has been done for you. So in these sentences we are given the colored words such as lion, doe. We have to change in the opposite gender. Some must be given in masculine or some must be given in feminine. कुछ हमें मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर दिए होंगे, कुछ हमें फेमिनाइन दिए होंगे, तो हमें उनको दूसरे उसके ओपोजिट जेंडर में चेंज करना है. सो लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट वन. अ लायन इनवाइटेड अ लायनेस टू डिनर. ही आस्क्ड हर what she would like to eat. He could catch deer, a buffalo or even a sheep. So here lion is a colored word. We have to change it into the opposite gender. So lion here is a masculine gender and we have changed it into the feminine, and its answer is lioness. Let's see the next one. A doe heard the lion. She ran to Buck and told him about the danger. Now, here doe is a colored word and it is feminine gender. So, we have changed it into the masculine gender and its answer is Buck. Next, a jackal carried the news to a dash and tigress. Here, tigress is a colored word and we have changed it into the masculine gender as tigress is a feminine gender. So, its opposite is tiger and its answer is tiger. So, accordingly, you have to use these hints from the help box and try to fill out these exercises. I hope you must be clear with the gender and try to solve this exercise. Thank you.